In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Microsoft Word file, PC, OneDrive, 5 minutes. If you're working in Microsoft Word and want your documents safely backed up and available on any device, saving to OneDrive is the way to go. I'll walk you through the full process, and along the way, I'll share a few simple tips so everything stays organized and easy to find. Start by opening the Word document you want to save. This can be a brand new file or something you've already been editing. With the document open, look to the top left of Word and go to File, then choose Save As. This tells Word you want to decide where the file lives and what it's called, rather than just saving it somewhere on your computer. When the Save dialog appears, pick OneDrive as the location. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage, which means your file will sync online and be accessible from other PCs, the web, and even your phone if you use the OneDrive app. If you don't immediately see OneDrive in the list, it may mean you're not signed in yet. In most cases, once you're signed into Word with your Microsoft account, OneDrive will appear as an option automatically. After selecting OneDrive, choose the folder you want to save to. Think about where you'll look for this later. A dedicated documents folder or a project folder keeps things tidy. If you already have a structure in OneDrive, navigate to it here so your file fits right in. Clear folder choices now save time when you're searching for the file later. Before saving, give your file a clear, descriptive name in the file name field. Avoid special characters that can't be used in file names, and consider including a date or short project label if that helps you stay organized. Good names make collaboration and search much easier down the line. Now click Save. Word will upload the file to OneDrive and associate it with the folder you selected. You'll typically see the new file name in the title bar at the top of Word, confirming the save was successful. From here on, when you continue working and press Ctrl+S or click Save, your changes will update in the same OneDrive location. A quick tip: saving to OneDrive unlocks helpful features like version history, which lets you review or restore earlier versions if you ever need to go back. It also makes sharing straightforward since the file lives in the cloud. That's it. You've opened your document, used File and Save As, selected OneDrive, picked the right folder, and saved your work securely.